Yesterday I just made 2,500 naira. You can see it here. Look at the person say thank you, I appreciate, I will bring more. Look at it here. And guess what? I made that money in less than 500 seconds. So the question is, what did I do to make 2,500 naira in less than 500 seconds? So this was what I did. Let us open it. Let's see what I did. It's opening, and this was what I did to get 2,500 naira, and I did it in less than 500 seconds. And we are going to do the same thing, me and you, using no skills and no money at all. Just relax, don't leave this video. You don't need to be a graphic designer to do what we are about to do in less than 500 seconds. It's very, very easy to do. Even a toddler can do it, and even my grandma can do it if she watched this video. So now, how do you go about doing it? Now we're going to use a free platform which is called canva.com. Now go to your browser and type Canva. You can see it's already out, canva.com, and it's going to bring you out. So let's just enter it and register. If you have not registered an account, just it's very easy to register. And now you can also access Canva on your mobile phone, so you don't have any excuse, you can follow along. So this is the way your Canva is going to appear on your phone or your system. So all you have to do now, when you want to create this particular design, which is a certificate, all you have to do simply is as simple as ABC. Just come to this search bar. You can also access it on your mobile phone and type certificates. I think it came out. So certificate. So you're now going to choose this one because we want the certificate, not an A4 certificate. We want it to be the normal style of certificate. So you just tap on it. So we're going to wait for it to load. While it loads, let me tell you guys something. You see, the reason why you don't make money on the internet is because you like to be watching videos on websites, and this, you register there, register here. See, if you focus on serving someone else, satisfying someone else, you're going to make money guaranteed. So you focus on learning a skill instead of just going to and jumping from one website to the other and stuff like that. Now all the websites will be jumping from one place to the other. How much have you made so far? Go and watch video, go and like this, go and like that. I'm not saying it's not going to pay you, but what I'm saying is it's not going to pay you substantial amounts. It's going to pay you peanuts. You have to learn a skill. Now I'm going to give you access to 100 plus digital skills for just 5,000 naira if you're interested. So you're going to get over 100 plus courses, digital courses that you can learn from. A lot of digital courses. So if you're someone that you're looking for a skill to learn a skill before 2025 comes. Okay, good. So it has finished loading. So you're just going to pick the one that you want. You can pick any one that you want here. So you see there are templates that are created for you already. Now we are going to choose a particular one. Very easy and simple. Let's just use this one. Now I'm actually using a pro account. If you need a pro account of Canva, then you can just reach out to me. Just tap on the link below and then reach out to me. Then I'm going to enroll you in a Canva Pro for just a fee of 1,000 naira. Now let's customize this template. So good, this is the template, and you can literally just customize this. You can actually do this editing with your phone also. Very, very easy. So now we're going to set the timer to start now, and less than 500 seconds we want to finish designing this design. But before then, you must understand this. Now to make your client say I will bring more, you have to do what your client wants. So you have to go back to see what is the things that our client says he wants, and we have to understand what our client wants to be able to do what he wants, and then or what she wants, and then we reach this agreement and everybody gets happy, everybody goes home happy. So now we have to see, first of all, he said hi, good morning, and then he now sent me sample of how he wants it, and all of the written words and all of the things, the text and everything that he wants. So all I did now was to copy everything that he wants, keep it in one side to make sure that my work is neat. So now that's what we are going to do. Now we are going to put the timer. Play. It has started. My time start now. Let's start this. Okay, so now first of all, let me just zoom in. What did he say he wants? Let us check it. Okay, as an official part of digital, this is what he wants. Okay, so what we do is just to copy here. You can copy this thing, so you can just do it on your phone. So paste this here. All we're going to do is just to draw this, and then maybe make it a little bit, and then take it up. You can see it just has to do with draw, copy, paste, line, put, edit, and that's just all it has to do. So let's just make sure everything sync. Okay, let's bring this here. 1 minute has already gone. Let me do this one time. Let's go back again. What else? Okay, date. He said he wanted date. So today's date, and let's go back. Let's take out this, delete. I think we can put date here. Today's date is what, guys? Today's date is what? Help me. Almost 2 minutes. Hey god, oh, today's date is 24th. So here, this name, we're changing the name. What is the name that you want the owner of the certificate? To make this very easy and fast for you, you're supposed to copy all the information and just put it on your notepad, so that it's going to be very easy for you to kind of just get the information and do the editing very fast. So we're going to copy it here, copy, and I take it here. 3 minutes. So let's go back again. What did he say he wants? Okay, he said he wants a certificate number. So what we're going to do is copy certificate number and then take it here. And where can we put the certificate number? So let's just tap on this and then duplicate this. So we duplicate this and then we are going to paste the certificate number here. Nah, all right. Anyhow, so just bring this one here. Let's delete this. I don't know how he did that, but okay. So we can just bring this here. Certificate number. These dates. However we want to do it, we can. So let's just take this up here and bring these dates here. Let's zoom in, and this date we want to make it a caps lock. Good. I want to put a slash here, slash, and then slash, then 2024. Good. So I think we're good here. Here we want to change this, so we'll go back here to the company name. This is the company name he gave us. Copy. It's like 500 seconds I was done, guys, but I don't know. So he said the signature should be anything, so we'll come back here to what he said. He said he wants us to put data management, copy, and let's take it back. So we're going to paste this here. This is what he said. I'm going to bring it here, guys. 6 minutes and I guess we are done. So all we have to do is just to come here and then download it. 8 minutes has done. 8 minutes has done. But literally all you have to do is come up here to this share, tap on download, and it's automatically going to download, and we're going to send it to the person. At least we're able to do it in less than 500 seconds, but at least it is 8 minutes, because 500 seconds equivalent 8 point something minutes, like that. If this video made sense to you, subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget that if you want to learn digital marketing skills, you can click under the description of this video. You get access to digital marketing course and learn whatever skill you want to learn. See you guys in the next one.